One day I grow up, when I grow up, I want to be like you. When I grow up, man, I want to be like you, man. Oh man, we about to be. Look at that, yeah, back there already complaining. About to pick up this 03 Cadillac Seville I picked up. Bought it for 300. You know, I always take a chance on a running car for 300. Look how beautiful that sky looking this morning. How beautiful that sky looking this morning. The sky looking all good and stuff. You know. Go find my Cadillac. Cadillac, where are you? That wind though, it's pretty harsh. Yeah, after the auction, they getting those number of cars back up. They had like 650. They had like 650 cars, so good amount of cars that came through here. Good amount. I didn't see that box truck. He must have. Let's see. Yeah, we done enough walking. It's cold. Hop up in this new Ford. No key to take. The key right here. What you talking about? Oh my God! I use this new old Ford and well, really. Battery in the key fob. Wow. The one car we choose. Key fob battery. Good. Hopping is challenging here. Nothing like hopping in a coupe. Why not? Man, this coupe sound like it need a motor. Man, I'm gonna hop out of that one. That one thing sound like probably gonna need a motor. Don't blame that. They ain't gonna blame it on me. Where is this car? Oh. Show you this little neon that somebody spent all this money on yesterday. Crazy. He's bought this neon for like $1,300. A Dodge Neon? Really? This is what $1,200 looks like on a Dodge Neon. Like, look at the spoiler on it. We're gonna use this as a thumbnail. Look at that. Got the spoiler on there. Look at that. They didn't put a spoiler on this. Somebody put a spoiler on there. They didn't change out the tail light. They didn't put fancy tail lights on there. Somebody spent a lot of money on it. And they went and put new headlights on it. They put more money in headlights, tail lights, and spoiler than the car work.
Dodge Neon.
Yeah, Dodge Neon. One of the biggest lemons ever invented. There go my Cadillac. Woo! Windy out here. Ragtop messed up on my Cadillac. That's why they didn't want it. Ragtop paint's faded. But it's cool though. We ain't. How my interior look though. Woo-hoo, look at that. Look at that interior though. I didn't know the airbag was. Oh, they might have got me. I know the airbag was messed up. Oh, wow. Got it. Oh. They didn't already shined it up for me. That Earl. It don't look like it. Put that back in there.
Better touch it right down the end, ain't it?
Yep, barely touching on the end.
Yeah. Going to the dollar store, huh?
Gotta go get some oil. Yeah, we go get some oil real quick. It's got coolant though. Surprising. You know, there's one thing Cadillac's never got is no coolant. Well, I guess just hook that jump box up to it. Oh, they ain't got no good hood sharks on the stuff. Well, you just leave it down. Yeah, go get the oil. Don't want to mess it up. Right back. Alright, see y'all back in a second. Oh man. So we drove the Cadillac. Drives good, you know, but Cadillac always gotta have some issue, don't they? Always gotta have some issue. So as right here, and I let it sit for a second, and it started leaking of the coolant. So it started leaking of the coolant. So hopefully it's just you know, but I don't know, because it's leaking from this side of the motor, so it's leaking from over here somewhere, so these hood shocks. So it's leaking from a hose or something over there. One of these hoses is leaking. So, you know. So now I gotta check and see which hose is leaking and where it's leaking coolant from, because it leaked out. So, you know, Cadillacs, people already be cautious about a North Star. You definitely don't want to have no coolant. You don't want to have no coolant leaking on no cars, but especially you don't want coolant leaking on no car. You know, when they leaking on a Cadillac, on the North Star, sometimes it be sounds a bigger problem, but it do run and ship good though. It runs and ship good. The gas head doesn't work, but I paid $300 for it. Figure out where it's leaking coolant from. Sell it for $1,500 real quick. You don't have the 115,000 miles on it. The little airbag part our part was busted. You know, has 115,000 miles on the 2003 Cadillac Seville. Paid $300 for it. Fix one of these hoses where it's leaking at, where it's leaking the coolant, because I know it's got to be a hose or something. Fix one of those. Sell it for about $1,500. You know, so invest, like say it's $300, invest another $100. You know, because the hose is probably gonna be like $30, but I gotta invest about an hour of my time, and I'm about $80 an hour. You know, I'm about $80 an hour, so $80 to $70 an hour. So I gotta invest that, my time. So 400, sell it for 15 or 14, 15, 14, make 1,000, 1,100, real quick. Move on to the next one. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all haven't already, you know, like this video. Let me go start it up for y'all. Should I start it? I mean, it's leaking coolant, but I mean, it does start and run. Just trust me. And I'll show y'all a picture of when I sell it. Appreciate y'all. I'm out. Peace.